Hello and welcome. I'm standing at the entranceway to this tiny town which is gonna blow your mind. This place is the result of one man's vision, an exceptional man who wanted to create something very, very special.
Hanging round after last orders, still so far from home. It's like we're burning into embers, just a fire burns all the world. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. But I still hold you in my heart when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh.
As we've been exploring the French Riviera, you'll have noticed that the places have each got their own character and charm. Well, today we're in a place that is so different it's hard to believe it's actually in France at all. I've got a story to tell you today. It's a story about a man who had a dream, a big dream, a dream that not everybody shared. And he fought for it, and he fought for it, and he fought for it. And in the end, he made the dream a reality. It's a fascinating tale of one man's vision, determination and architectural innovation to transform a swampy, barren land into a world-renowned marina village. The story of Paul Grimaud begins with Francois Spouery, an architect from Alsace. Born in 1912, Spouery was known for his unconventional approach to architecture, often blending modernist principles with the deep respect for tradition and local culture. In the early 1960s, Spouery was captivated by the idea of constructing a marina village where people could live with their boats moored directly at their doorsteps. His dream was to create a new kind of living space, one that could harmonise with the natural environment while providing all the comforts and conveniences of a modern home. His vision was not just of a residential area, but of an entire community with shops, restaurants and public spaces, all connected by a network of canals and pedestrian streets. But the land on which Port Grimaud now stands was far from ideal for construction. It was a marshy, mosquito-infested expanse of mudflats, considered by many to be uninhabitable. However, Spouery saw potential where others only saw challenges. He purchased a large tract of this land in 1962 and thus began the ambitious project that would become Port Grimaud. So the first challenge he faced was to drain and stabilise the marshy ground. Spouery and his team of engineers undertook a massive effort to reclaim the land, constructing a series of dikes and drainage systems to manage the water levels. Sand from the nearby beaches was used to reinforce the foundations, and special care was taken to preserve the delicate ecological balance of the area. Spouery's vision for Port Grimaud was inspired by the traditional architecture of provincial villages with their narrow streets, pastel-coloured houses and terracotta roofs. However, instead of building on land, Sprewry decided to construct his village on a series of artificial islands connected by canals. This innovative approach allowed each home to have direct access to the water with private docks where residents could moor their boats. Construction began in 1966 and the village quickly took shape. The houses were built using traditional materials and techniques, but with modern amenities discreetly integrated into the design. The result was a village that felt timeless, as if it had existed for centuries, yet offered all the conveniences of contemporary living. The canals, which are the defining feature of Port Grimaud, were carefully planned to follow the natural contours of the land, creating a sense of organic flow. Sprewry insisted that the streets and squares be pedestrian only, encouraging a sense of community and interaction among residents. Bridges, plazas and small parks were strategically placed throughout the village, providing places for people to gather and enjoy the stunning views. I don't know if any of you get boating. I do. I'm a boat person. I've always dreamed of finding somewhere like this where I could live and spend my latter years with my boat moored up outside. Port Grimaud was officially inaugurated in 1969 and it quickly became a popular destination for both tourists and residents. The village's unique charm, combined with its prime location on the French Riviera, attracted people from all over the world. Today, Port Grimaud is home to a vibrant community with a mix of permanent residents and seasonal visitors. Sprewry's vision for Port Grimaud was not just about creating a beautiful place to live, it was about fostering a sense of community and connection with the environment. He succeeded in creating a village that feels both intimate and expansive, a place where people can enjoy the best of both worlds, a place where they can have the serenity of a waterfront home and the lively atmosphere of a Mediterranean village. Port Grimaud has since been classified as a 20th century heritage site by the French Ministry of Culture, recognising its unique architectural and cultural significance. Francois Sprewry's legacy lives on in every corner of the village, a testament to his creativity, innovation and unwavering belief in the power of architecture to shape not just the buildings but the way people live their lives. We've only scratched the surface of this place at the moment, and that's something that we're about to change. We're going to take a proper look round this place in a minute. Have a look round the way that it was intended to be seen. And there's only one way to do that. By getting on the water.
This time I am pretty sure. Moments passing away I've never seen before. You held me out of the dark. I always wonder if you were left without a mark. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on. From now on. Lying on a distant star. In these violent days I wanna be where you are. Stay with me, it's getting late. Fill me with a desire that I cannot break. Did you ever let go? Did you ever not know? You were never out there alone. Do you think there's a chance for this love to be real? I will let you take the wheel. From now on. From now on. From now on. From now on. Distant fire burning low. You were telling me everything I didn't know. Outside there's a midnight rain. With the hardest of heart, I still feel full of pain.
This video was filmed during a 3-month tour of the French Riviera. I've filmed lots of places, some spectacular little towns and villages, and if you'd like to get access to the other locations I've visited, have a look in the description and you'll find that I've put a link there to the playlist.
Time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, wanna keep heading round the circles, never letting go, never letting go. The weight of the world on your shoulders, always ending up the same. Crescent moons have all gone home. We're all fired up, we're tangled up, we're enmeshed to the point of messed up. As the days keep rolling on, we're living in hell again. I still hold you in my arms when these days have been and gone. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. As time goes by, gonna keep heading on, circles, never letting go, never letting go. As time goes by, head round in circles, never letting go, never letting go.
Now, I want you to have a little think about this. I want you to think about the construction that you associate having taken place in the 1960s anywhere in the world, and I want you to compare it to this. Hopefully, seeing what's been built here will allow you to appreciate what an incredible project this was. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please hit the like button for me. That'll really help me to continue making videos like this.